One last thing, is there any parting words you have for those who have been sharing with?
My Bazukuru, I greet all of you, and I want to tell you that provided you focus correctly and really understand the line of the NRM, your future, the future of Uganda, the future of Africa is bright. And the things are clear. It's not either or. Either you do or you fail. So there's no second way. You have seen enough of it in many of the African countries. You have seen what's happening in many of them. I don't want to mention them. Somalia, some of them. The whole problem there is concentrating on identity rather than interests of people. The NRM decided to correctly identify the needs of the people as the focus of political action. Others continue with identity of religion, of tribe, gender chauvinism, which we reject and we treat with contempt. So that's number one. Once you sort that one out, then number two is because once you sort that one out, then you become a patriot. You become Moyo wa Uganda. You don't become Moyo wa Nkore, Moyo wa Uganda. You become Moyo wa Uganda. However, we tell you that even Uganda is not enough. You must be Moyo wa East Africa. You must be Moyo wa Africa. Then thirdly, you must work for the socio-economic transformation of your people, wherever you come from.
Social being social.
Okay. You are Namagunga.
Okay.
You can say it in your Namagunga way, but in my Chamati entire way, I say social.
You said social.
Socio-economic, which means we don't want a peasant to produce another peasant.
Yes.
If you have got your father is a peasant, you should be the last in your family. You must shift from muscle power to machine power to intellectual power, as I was telling you the other day. Instead of our people collecting water by carrying on the head, they must use the pipe. Instead of using the firewood, they must use the electric heater and the gas cooker. Instead of our girls being rode by children on the back, they must push the children in the trams, like I did these ones here.
Pram.
Pram. No. Not pram with the other big one.
Yes.
The pram.
Yes.
Akagari.
Yes.
And then, of course, democracy. So all these are linked because, like, if you take number one and number two, patriotism and Pan-Africanism, the issue that if people wake up and start producing for instead of producing for the stomach only, they start producing for the stomach and the market. The question is, where will you sell all those products? That's why the issue of market is very crucial. So when you see young people not talking about this, talking about European football clubs, about what the future of the country is not safe. You better wake up and know where your future belongs. For us, we have told you it is patriotism, Pan-Africanism, socio-economic transformation, democracy. If you don't accept that, I can see your future is dark.
We accept it.
If you accept, your future is bright.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you.